Growing up in a big city, I didn't always think about where my food came from or how I was living. Life was busy, and I was caught up in the rush, not really aware of what I was missing. But over time, something started to shift. I began to feel a pull towards a different way of living, one that was more mindful, more connected. It didn't happen overnight. Little by little, my eyes started to open up to the world around me. I became more aware of my surroundings, more conscious of what I was putting into my body and how I was spending my time. This awakening led me to explore new paths, to seek out ways to live more intentionally and in tune with nature. That's how I found myself drawn to growing my own food. There's a deep satisfaction in knowing I can nourish myself with what I grow, and this simple act has brought so much peace and fulfillment into my life. But it's not just about the garden. It's about creating a balanced life that allows room for everything that brings joy. Whether it's tending to plants, traveling, or seeking out new adventures. Mindful living has become essential for me. It's not just about what I eat. It's about how I live each day. Simple things like touching the soil, spending time with animals, or just breathing in fresh air help me stay grounded and connected to the world around me. These moments of connection keep me centered and remind me of what truly matters. And so this journey continues, gradually unfolding, finding balance, seeking joy, and living a life that feels truly connected. Each day brings its own discoveries, its own peace, and its own fulfillment as I keep moving forward on this path, sharing these moments and experiences. As I continue to explore, there will always be new stories to tell and more ways to connect with the world around me.